Hi, I'm Susan from Senior Style, and I hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty rainy in BC. I have a unboxing today from my Hudson Bay haul. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, thanks so much. I was formerly known as SOLAIRE, but I'm not all about LV. I'm about senior style, so that's for the name change. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Got my blade. Here's the box. All right, we're in. All right, let's see what we got today. Okay, here's a pair of socks for my hubby. See if he likes these or not. Here's another pair of socks. Here's eye cream, and I'll be featuring this on Makeup Monday. So that'll kind of shake you up. It comes with applicator from Chanel. And let's see what the color is. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. I'll be featuring that on Makeup Monday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Luckily, I didn't break the table. Whoops. Senior moment. All right. Oh, here's my husband's pants. And he is going to be making more videos in the future, so thanks for your request. He appreciates that. All right. Oh, these are nice. These are by Kenneth Reaction. So they're a gray color, they're real pretty. So we'll see how he likes those. Oh, he's getting a lot of presents today. That's cool. Oh, another pair of socks. All right, we'll see how that works out. Well, he's getting a whole stack full of stuff. And then I saw these. These are from 9 West. And they're like a hoop style, so I'll be featuring those on Makeup Monday as well. Alright, that's my unboxing for today. I look forward to putting out some more videos this week, so stay tuned. Till next time, thanks for watching Senior Style with Susan. Have a good day. Bye, guys.